Alright, Chevrolet fans, here's a beauty for you. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo two-door coupe. Beautiful looking car in this red. Now this is the original paint color of this car also. Would be medium red, number 72 paint code. With the vinyl top. That's the way this car would have came from Chevrolet. Interior also red with a 50-50 split bench custom cloth seat. Now as far as the paint on this car, it sure appears to be original. I've looked around it for overspray and paint lines, anything like that. It appears to be very original. And the reason I say it is very original, this is a one-owner car, original miles, bought here new in our area, been with the same gentleman since it was new. Now, if you want to check out the underside pictures, check this thing out. It's unbelievable. Take a look at the interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see those pics. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. If you're looking for a Monte Carlo, I don't know if you're going to find another one nicer in the nation. This also comes with the original owner's manual, warranty booklet. Now, there's a copy of like the dealer's options, or the options this would have came with. It's not really a window sticker, but it has the same. It has the cost of the options on it and what they were. Those will be in the still pictures. Nicely loaded car too. Power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, cruise. I believe it was power locks too, if I remember seeing on there. Yes, power locks also. And take a look at this dash. It's like new. This car appears to be, like I said, extremely stock, the way that it would have came from General Motors in '77. It's a great looking paint combination too. Red, white top, red interior. You can see how nice the vinyl roof is on it. Look back here, rear defrost. One of the options. What's some more of the options? Let's see. We would have the rally wheels. That would have been one. This has illuminated vanity mirrors in it. Power trunk opener, that was one I noticed. These rub strips down the doors, on the fender, I believe those were also an option. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation of this car, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome. You know, about what you'd expect on a 40 and some odd thousand mile car. Original dealership logo, Bill Olson Chevrolet Company. Again, still pictures. Take a look at the underside, the trunk, the engine bay. You'll see what I'm talking about. This is a nice one. Check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Firestone destination radials on those rally wheels. See, we did have rock guards on it also. Look up and down this car. I mean, it's just, you don't see the nicks, chips, dings, scratches. Yeah, you look around with a fine-tooth comb, look it over good. You're going to find a few touch-ups here and there. But overall, extremely nice shape. This was a Kansas City built car, FYI. There'll be a picture of the data tag so you can see that also. Look at original door panels. Again, there's your power locks. Power mirrors. Cruise control. Wipers. Appears everything was working on the car too. This would have had an AM radio in it to begin with. I believe it does have an aftermarket stereo in it now. Take a look at the headliner. Get that. There you go. Get that glare off of there. Headliner, nice shape. This is original seats. Little cover in the back seat that'll go with it. Just got a cloth cover you throw over the top of it with that white vinyl roof. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles. 48,025 miles. Sorry if I said 44,000, 48,000. Oh, the good old seatbelt buzzer works like a charm. Look at that dash. Wow, this thing's almost like a time capsule. Again, there's your kind of little aftermarket stereo setup in there. AM, FM now. Sorry if you got glare there. You can see those miles clear. Listen to this thing. Just smooth purrs. Just the way you'd expect it to. Sounds like it would have when it rolled off the showroom floor in 1977. No crazy exhaust, big cam, anything like that. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood so you can check out that engine bay and let's take a look underneath there. Alright, choke kicked off while I was opening the hood there. So it's down at low idle. Listen to how smooth that is. 305 two-barrel. And again, what it would have came with from General Motors. I did not have the AC blowing cold, and it doesn't appear that it's been converted over either from R34. FYI, doesn't have that fitting. Again, very stock underneath the hood. Also, battery was a couple years old, 2 or 3 year old battery. I noticed also there's a receipt for that. And again, you'll see the owner's manual and that warranty booklet, the list with the options and the cost back in '77. I'll have those in the still pictures too. Once again, 1977 Monte Carlo, and it's a beauty. One owner, original miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. And of course, we do consider trades. We can assist with the transportation of this. Financing is available. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.